you guys more so than me, you've reviewed a lot of fight scenes. Like for you guys to be impressed, you know, you need something big in it. You need something that's gonna go easy. You get me? Like that's what I think in it. Like I thought that was a good fight scene. Welcome back to another Chatterbox scene reaction. Yeah. I can't do that. I've been wanting to go bare hype, yeah, but my voice is just not allowing me today. I promise all the audience and you, man, here, obviously, next time I'm back, I will be the most hypest guy ever. But for now, you're gonna have to, get down with the James Brown vibes. It's like smooth FM. We're gonna keep it rolling. And today on the show, we've got don't know. We got the man from South London, keeping it wicked his finest. Don't know he's got the rhythm and the rhyme. You know the man's in time. It's Sean.
Yo, what's going on? Mr. James Brown in the house. Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good.
Sick. And obviously, North London's wildest. It's the OG, it's the madman, it's the one you don't never ever want to trust with an axe in his hand, especially after he's had some of them Havanas. It's the one and only Des. What's good, my G?
Hey, still on the Skepta thing, boy. Still on the Skepta. Hey, Skepta, recognize this, man. Come on, have enough. Bring some bottles down to Chatterbox. Jump on the show, man. Let's do this together. JB, jump on it.
Let me
Grime Nation.
I'm gonna text one of them now, innit? The BBK guys, yeah, and I'm gonna tell them Uncle Des wants.
That man know me though. That man know me. I'm old school, bruv. Remember that.
You probably done videos for them before they had hits.
Ah, man.
All right, real talk, yeah. If you're watching and you want some exclusive, yeah, Des and P, yeah, they've done videos for bare people. Like they know Roadmen from before Roadmen was a thing. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, they was doing videos for Roadmen. These guys are turning up in suits. Like, what, you want a music video? Yeah, they're charging, man. These guys are OGs. That's why I call Des OG in it, yeah, because he knows before you knew. He knew before your mum knew you knew. He knew before your mum knew you knew. She knew he knew. He knew everything. Anyway, today we are reacting to a Rain fight scene from the movie Terry, starring none other than Talapati Vijay. Terry is a 2016 Tamil action thriller film written. See, this is what I'm saying about the Tamils. Tamil action thriller film. They put the whole every spice in there just to make you feel good. Anyway, it's an action thriller film written and directed by Atlee. The film revolves around a baker who holds a secret identity as former deputy commissioner of police, and he is on a secret ghost protocol mission organized by the commissioner of police.
Of police, you know.
It's a whole damn thing, man. It's a whole damn thing. Of police. That's what it says, commissioner of police. Anyway, man gets. Do you know what? I'm not even questioning the thing today because Joyce got us the facts in it, yeah. So if Joyce has done it, I ain't questioning it. You get me? If it was P, I'd question it. Anyway, let's dive right into it. DJ, run the scene.
Well, if Joyce has done it, that means it's like 20 minutes long.
Hey, was it today?
It was 3 days.
ஒன்றும் கேஸ் வாபஸ் வாங்கியாச்சு ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை
சரிப்பா நான் பேக்கரியில் போய் படுத்துடுறேன்ப்பா நிம்மதியாக தூங்க பேபி
I love that man's a baker, you know, just a baker, like from police to baker.
ആരാടാ ഈ ജോസഫ്? ചേട്ടനെതിരെ കംപ്ലൈന്റ് കൊടുത്തത് നീയാണോ?
ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ
He's a bit mad since 2016.
ഞാൻ ഉടനെ കേസ്
ഓ, കേസ് നീ പിൻവലിച്ച ചേട്ടനെ നീ വെറുതെ വിട്ടൊന്ന് ഞങ്ങൾ വിചാരിക്കണോ?
അവരെ മണ്ണിക്ക് ഞാൻ ആരുங்க
ധൈര്യമായിട്ട് പോയി കംപ്ലൈന്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഇപ്പൊ ഞങ്ങളെ കണ്ടപ്പോ പേടിച്ചാ?
Oh, man, turn up on your doorstep with bare bands, you know.
When it's raining as well.
Whoa.
ആരോടാ നീ?
Who's my girl googling though?
ചേട്ടൻ 12 കൊല ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അറിയോടാ? എന്താടാ നോക്കുന്നേ?
Come on, my man's he's got to do something. He's got to
These
pull out
guys
the
are
knife.
taking a minute.
ഇവന്റെ മോക്ക് വേണ്ടിയല്ല കംപ്ലൈന്റ് കൊടുത്തേ.
അതേടാ.
എന്താ കംപ്ലൈന്റ് കൊടുത്തേ?
Come to his house at this time as well.
Get me when it's raining.
The guy doing the punching looks like a
Oh,
Hey. Oh, is that? Oh.
oh.
Oh, she just realized who he is.
സോറി ബ്രദർ. സോറി
പിടിച്ചോണ്ട് വാടാ.
You never run towards the man to fight like that, bro. Drop calm, drop foot. Loom. The man like a football.
Oh, that was the main guy.
That's a Brockneck.
Let's go to bed, Treacle.
Hey, I got energy for 3 days.
Yeah,
my
man.
days.
Yeah, no, that was good. I enjoyed that, man. He's really good in his films so far. Well, from what I've watched, anyway. I like his fighting style that he has in his films. I really enjoyed the fight scene, even though it was the rain, was still good. Like Dan picked up on, I think the quality of the video wasn't great, but I don't think that was down to the actual film, though, was it? Maybe it was what's
That's just
online.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I wouldn't take away from it from that front. The character as well, like I suppose because I recently watched Mercil, and for me the character seemed a little bit similar. But I suppose I would have to watch the actual film and the build-up before the fight scene. But for me, it felt a bit like watching his character from the film Mercil. So maybe there's similarities there. I'm not quite sure, but either way, yeah, I don't know what else you can say because we've seen a lot of his fight scenes and he's always held it down. So I suppose this is another one he's held down. For me, I enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was a basic fight scene, man. I want to see a clear, sunny day where man is fighting and blocking up people. I want to see it clear as day. I don't want rain falling and obscuring the view, or it's dark at night and then you can't see nobody getting punched, like that would say the blood and the gore and things. I want to see it all, man. I want to see the foot get broke, the hand get broke, the neck get broke, the nose get broke. I want to see that get broke up all the time. And I have to be like looking, I'm thinking, oh, I'm hearing the sounds. But again, it's a standard fight scene. You know what's gonna happen. My man take 2 licks for 5 minutes, and then it's like, right, enough is enough. All up. Wait a minute. Boom. And that's it. It's kind of, you know what's gonna happen all the time. So hey, it's a basic fight scene for me.
But the thing I'll say though, is we recently watched on, what was it? Was it Crack or was it Crack? I can't remember. There's another fight scene we watched recently, and where it looked a bit like Night Vision. And to me, that was pretty similar in the sense that you couldn't 100% see what was happening.
So that's what I'm saying. I want to see what's happening. I want to see it all, rather than what I'm watching. I've got to try my best to make out what's really going on. I want to see it. Let the action be in front of my face. Let the action be right there. So this here basic fight scene. I've seen fight scenes in the rain before, but it was more of a sunny day with a man with an umbrella. I can't remember the fight scene we was watching before. And you can see it clear as day, man.
No, that was in the night.
What's up? And was that night? But they had some good lighting.
No,
it wasn't smoky or nothing like that. Just
but that's what I'm saying.
Give a clear view.
I think it was this video. I don't think the film. I think if you watch the actual film in high definition, I think you probably enjoy it more, maybe.
Yeah, I definitely think like we had a bad copy of that one, which can't be helped sometimes, you know, copyright and all of that stuff in it. It depends where the upload comes from and that. I think it would have been bad because it's 2016. Let's be honest, yeah. Like I said before, Tamils don't skimp on anything when it comes to production. You know, they're not going to put a movie out there that you can't see the fight scenes properly. But like, I get what you're saying though, Des. At the end of the day, like you guys more so than me, you've reviewed a lot of fight scenes. Like for you guys to be impressed, you know, you need something big in it. You need something that's gonna go easy. You get me? Like that's what I think in it. Like I thought that was a good fight scene, but like I'm not saying it was anything major. You know, like in other ones, the ones we just watched before, where there's like, you know, there's bullets slowing down and all of them thing, and man doing backflip and reverse and rewind up on the thing and remix selector Maidan. That was mad. You get me? This was a solid fight scene. I'm not saying it was bad. It was just a solid one. You get me? That's what I thought. Like, anyway, that was our reaction to the rain fight scene from the movie Terry. Let us know what you guys thought. Hit us up in the comments. You know, let us know your suggestions. And as always, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and if you can, support us on Patreon, because you don't know Patreon's where it's at. Ladies Love will tell you more about it. There's what is there, guys? There's watch-alongs. There's tell me more about Patreon.
Watch-alongs, song reactions, blocked reactions to other trailers, other scenes that are not on the channel. You can come over there, chat to us if you want on the Discord server. It's got everything, man. It's got a bit of everything. A lot of good stuff.
I love it. Anyway, until the next time, this is the Chatterbox crew. We are signing out. Peace and love, my people. We'll see you next time.